Today, I will show you how to make money online with the most well-known platform. The platform mentioned is none other than YouTube. But the best thing here is, without a camera. This strategy will not hassle you in recording yourself and making your own video, and you don't need to be monetized to get paid. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. This strategy is using the most popular site, which is YouTube. And the twist is, it doesn't involve any ads revenue. You can already start this strategy by earning money online right after watching this video because you don't need any subscribers and it doesn't involve monetization on your YouTube account. As you search on Google, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on YouTube to monetize your channel. The subscribers you can easily obtain, but the watch hours are your biggest problem. In order for us to start our journey in this strategy, find videos on YouTube. I will suggest that you will use an extremely popular and people love to watch. As you can see, I search for funny cats, and this is something you can search for. You may also go to funny dogs, cute cats, and many more. As I said earlier, you will find videos that are on trending or extremely popular. As you can see here, this video is only 9 months ago and it has over 50 million views. This one is a year ago and it has over 30 million views. That's totally insane. The thing that we will be doing here is to choose a video that we will be going to re-upload. To do that, just simply go to Filters on the upper left portion of the site and click it. Under the features, just click on Creative Commons. The purpose of filtering these videos is for us to choose a video that we can re-upload without any copyright issues. And as you can see, even these videos are copyright free. There are still thousands of views, at least, and millions at most. This video in here got 11 million views. This one got 2.2 million views, which is a very decent amount of views on a non-copyright video here on YouTube. And if you put in your mind, if you will be the one to re-upload these videos, this has a big potential to have that decent amount of views and go viral. Anyways, the only thing that you will do on this page is to choose the video that you think has the potential to be viral on this platform. In my case, I will choose this one. If you already choose your video, just simply click it, and after that, maneuver your mouse to the upper portion of the page and copy the link. For us to be able to download the YouTube video, just go to Google and search on YouTube to MP3. Don't bother in your mind about the MP3 in the last name of the site. As you can see here, there is an option to be able for us to download the said video in an MP4 format. In order for us to download, just simply paste the link here and click Convert. Just wait for a second and click on Download. It may take a minute in downloading the videos, but it will depend on how fast your internet is. Basically, it will take about 2 to 3 minutes. And if you're done downloading the video, you can now re-upload the said video after this last process. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. Now, your video is already set. All we need to do is to open these sites that will bring the money into our hands. The website mentioned are bonfire.com and teespring.com. These websites are closely similar to each other. They will help us how to make merchandise like t-shirts, pillows, mugs, and any other kinds of stuff. And this site will actually do all the things from printing to shipping. In this case, you will do the design and then the mentioned website will do the making and delivery. Because they extend their hands to you, the profit of the sold products will be divided into you and the website. You might be thinking about, what are we going to do in our YouTube video? Here's the thing. Since we will be uploading our videos on YouTube, which has the potential to be viral, you will be going to create merchandise on this website and put the link on the said products that you created on the description box. And if you will do the thinking, as you saw earlier, there are millions of views on the cat-related videos, and of course, your video will also have the potential to those tremendous views. And since cat lovers will be the one to view your videos on YouTube, they will be much interested in buying merchandise with a cat design on it. For you to know how to create a design on your kinds of stuff without any background knowledge or skills, all we need to do is maneuver your mouse on the upper right portion of this page and click on Start Designing. And in this page, you will be creating your account on this platform. Just enter your name or brand name, your email, password, and confirm it in here. Click this box and sign up. You may also continue signing up with your Facebook account, Google, or even YouTube. If you already made your account, it will look like this. For us to start our design, just simply choose out of these products. We have men's staple tee, women's premium hoodie, face mask, and many more. In my case, I will choose on men's staple tee. All you need to do in order to proceed to the next website is top-click on the item. On this page, this will allow you to make some customization to your product. As you can see in here, you can add text, add image, and change the color. And below on that, you will see the price of the product, and it should be $20 to $30 each. If you sell it on a high price to have a high profit, it will result to low sales. In my case, the price of my product is $26 and I will have a $10 profit. If you will do the math, there are 500,000 views on your YouTube videos and only 1% of those buys your product. Imagine there are 5,000 sales on your product. Multiply it by 10 and boom, easy $50,000. To continue designing your shirt, we need to put some pictures. Just hop into Google and go to cleanpng.com, and all we need to do in here is to search for pictures relating to cats. To do that, just search cat on the search bar, and as you can see, there are more than 90,000 pictures relating to cats. It's totally awesome. All you need to do is look for the best picture for you, and once you already have, just click on download on the lower portion of the site. I will now go ahead and find the best picture for my shirt and design it, so you will see how it looks like. Now, I already have my cutie design shirt. Put in your mind that you will take some couple of minutes in making your design in order to look awesome. And once we're good and all set with our design, just click continue in here and you will be receiving a link of this merchandise, and paste that link on the description box of your YouTube video and write something about it like t-shirt for sale. And to have a really insane amount of profit, just repeat those steps and make a couple's design of products. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.